This tutorial will briefly explore the organization of the Clo3D environment. When you first open the program, you will notice the screen is divided into three different sections. To the left of the screen is the 3D avatar window, which displays the avatar in the rendered 3D garment. Directly next to it is the 2D pattern window, where the corresponding 2D garment patterns are created, displayed, and edited. To the very far right of the screen are a series of cascading windows that control the properties of these 2D and 3D elements. The first one of these is the Object Browser, which is like a comprehensive list of all the elements within an open file. If you select a pattern piece in any of the main windows, the list in the browser will expand to display the pattern on the list, as well as any of its sub-elements, such as seam lines connected to the pattern. Directly beneath the Object Browser is the Property Editor, where properties related to the element, such as colors and fabrics, are displayed and can be edited. At the very top of the screen is the menu bar that lists all the different tool categories within Clo3D. As most of the functions listed in these drop-down menus have corresponding icons in the toolbar directly below it, the menu bar is mostly used for one-time events like opening and saving garments, avatars, and poses, which are all listed under the File menu. In addition to the menu and toolbars, you can quickly access specific toolsets through the pop-up menus by right-clicking on various parts of the screen. For example, if you right-click on a garment in the 3D avatar window, an edited list of tools related to the placement and rendering of the 3D garment will appear in a pop-up menu. Similarly, you can right-click on the actual avatar to load a pop-up menu with tools related to the avatar, and right-click on the background of the 3D avatar window to load tools related to the 3D environment, such as lighting, wind, and background colors. You can also load the environment simulation properties through this menu, which when clicked on, loads under the Property Editor. The right-click activated pop-up menus also apply to elements in the 2D pattern window. You can right-click on a pattern to access a pattern-related pop-up menu, and also click specific elements on the pattern, such as lines and points, to access tools specific to these elements. The same applies to seamline pairs, but make sure to switch to the Edit Seamlines tool in the 2D pattern toolbar to ensure the program recognizes you're selecting a seamline pair and not just a line on the pattern. Last but not least, you can load tools related to the 2D environment by right-clicking on the background of the 2D pattern window.